How many children do you have?
2.
What are their dates of birth?
What is their birth?
Mm-hmm.
She had one around probably okay.
No. Here's my question. Do you want a jury trial or you want to go forward with this plea agreement?
I just want to get out. I want to get out.
This is going to be my last time. Do you want me to go forward with placing you on probation? That's a yes or no.
Probation.
All right. Then this is what the court will do. The court will sentence you to 10 years in prison, suspended and probated for 10 years. There's a $1,000 fine. That'll be probated.
He's facing up to 20 years in prison for burglary. 20 years. And yet, as he sits in court, he looks like he doesn't have a care in the world. Leaning back, smirking, acting like the system can't touch him. But arrogance can only take you so far, because the moment the judge asked him about his kids' birthdays, everything stopped. He didn't have an answer. Not one. That silence said more than any testimony ever could. It showed exactly where his priorities have been and where they haven't. Still, he carries himself like probation is guaranteed. If I were the judge, watching that smug smile fade into nervous stammering, I'd be thinking less about second chances and more about decade behind bars. But what about you? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's step into the courtroom.
Understand you're charged with burglary of a habitation force. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Then to the offense in count 1, paragraph A, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? All right, off the record for a moment. Deputy Laura, is he able to move to the other end?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We're back on the record. State, do you have any evidence to support the plea?
At this time, the state introduces State's Exhibit 1 and all of its attachments. No objections.
Mr. Farris, I'm showing you what's entitled Wavering Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? All right. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Judge, just that Mr. Ferris is very motivated to do well in this probation, and he asked that the court follows our agreement. The only other thing that I would ask, Judge, is if you would probate the fine. He is indigent.
All right. So, Mr. Ferris, if you're released, where would you be living? Do you have a place to stay?
Yes, I do.
All right. So, who would you be living with?
My wife.
I'm sorry?
With my wife.
All right. Are there any issues?
Not in our communications today, no, ma'am.
All right. Does your wife want you living with her?
Of course. She had to be.
Well, I mean, just because a female may have someone's child, that doesn't necessarily mean that they want them living with them.
I would like to help her.
Well, I mean, again, people can help with children without living with someone. So here's the thing. If you end up seeing your wife and she doesn't want you staying with her, then you can't stay with her.
Okay.
All right. And are you all legally married? Did you go to the courthouse or did you have a ceremony?
That's courthouse.
Okay.
Paid $150 for it.
All right. How many children do you have?
2. She just had them.
Ages?
1 and just had it. The other one, 2 boys.
Okay. What are their dates of birth?
What is their birth?
Mm-hmm.
She had one around probably December. The other one she was at.
But no. You're giving me a month, but what is the child's date of birth? If the child, if the child is expecting a birthday gift from you and they want it on their birthday, when would they get it?
See that February, February 3rd? Yeah, somebody's on the 3rd.
All right, so you're saying February 3rd.
7 months apart.
So that's one. So what's the date of birth of the other child? You're gonna have to do better. You understand?
I'll try. I'll try.
All right. That's a tattoo you can get on your arm instead of what you have.
I was gonna get two tattoos.
With their dates of birth?
Yes, my word.
Some courtroom moments hit you like a punch to the gut. This was one of them. Imagine sitting in front of a judge, staring down 2 decades in prison, and failing the simplest question any parent should know: your child's birthday. That's not about memory. That's about priorities. And in that moment, his were crystal clear. Judges notice these things. They know when a man has been absent, distracted, or careless. And when they see it, mercy fades quickly. Because if you can't honor the basics of being a parent, why should the system trust you to handle freedom responsibly? Being present for your child doesn't cost money or status. It's the bare minimum of love. And yet here he is, sitting smug, as if none of it matters. But the judge? She sees everything. And soon, he's going to learn just how costly neglect can be.
All right, and what is that other tattoo about?
I don't know. They gave it to me.
Who is they?
Some friends of mine. I don't know. I don't know who it is. It's probably my particular man. I don't know.
I mean, when did you receive that tattoo?
A long time ago.
Okay. So why were you in this apartment?
I was helping my friend move. I was doing a good deed. I just moved out of his couch and that was it. And she said, I took something. I didn't take nothing. All I did was help us move the couch and that was it, man.
All right. Do you want a jury trial?
I just helped the guy out moving. I was the guy.
No. Here's my question. Do you want a jury trial or you want to go forward with this plea agreement?
I just want to get out.
No, I mean, do you want to have a jury trial or do you want to go forward with this plea? Because if you want a jury trial, then we will give you a jury trial, quick, fast, in a hurry. It won't be today.
I know that. But with for this plea, I'll get quick and hurry out.
I'm sorry, what?
That plea, I'll get quick and hurry out.
Here's the thing. When people think about doing plea agreements and their goal is, I want to get out, there are consequences to all of these cases for entering into pleas. So with this one, it's a criminal conviction and you're not going to be allowed to have any weapons or ammunition because it's a criminal conviction.
Weapon I have.
Sometimes these pleas affect your ability or impact your ability to obtain an education and receive financial aid. Sometimes it impacts your ability to have certain forms of employment that requires licensing. It affects and impacts your ability to register to vote because you're a convicted felon. You won't be able to register to vote until you are no longer on paper. So if you want to go forward with the plea, the court will place you on probation. If you wish to have a jury trial, then the court will set this for a jury trial. So do you wish to go forward with this plea?
I want the plea. I want to get out. I mean, I just would be in that chair for now. He posed with my friend. I didn't even enter the house.
Well, let me just tell you what I read. Let me just tell you what I read in the police report. It mentions your good deed, but if you're doing a good deed, you don't accept payment for it. So this is what's in the police report. It says, Victim 1 and Victim 2 were in the process of moving out of their apartment. Victim 2 asked you, which is described as AP, which stands for arrested person, to help with the move, and he would pay him some money. Arrested person stole Victim 2's bicycle and left the location. While Victim 1 and Victim 2 were out dropping off belongings, the arrested person returned and entered the apartment without Victim 1 and Victim 2's consent. Arrested person took victim's property out of the apartment and left the location. Arrested person returned for more property and was caught by Victim 2. Victim 2 detained arrested person until police arrived. So I will place you on probation. It's completely up to you. But if you want to go to a jury trial, we will give you a jury trial as well. So this is going to be my last time asking you, do you want me to go forward with placing you on probation? That's a yes or no.
Probation. It's good probation.
All right. Then this is what the court will do. The court will sentence you to 10 years in prison, suspended and probated for 10 years. There's a $1,000 fine that'll be probated. Take into consideration 2022 CR 8418. There's to be $500 restitution and no contact. All right, we can go off the record. Mr. Ferris, you need to learn the birth dates of your children. You only have 2. Some people come here, they have 10. And you need to be a better father to them because they're expecting you to be in their life.
Father.
All right? Okay.
He calls himself a father. But nothing screams responsible parent less than stealing from your own friend, breaking into their home again, and then forgetting your children's birthdays. The irony writes itself. And yet, the most surreal moment wasn't the crime. It was the sentencing. When the judge handed him 10 years probated, he froze. His eyes widened. He thought it meant 10 years locked away in prison. You could almost see the panic sink in, like he'd just been given a life sentence. But probation isn't prison. It's a chance, a warning, a second shot at staying free. All he has to do is follow the rules. Simple, right? But with his arrogance and careless attitude, you can't help but wonder, how long until he slips again? The judge gave him the rope. Now it's on him whether he climbs or hangs.